Choosing the right Micro-ATX PC case is key to building a system that balances performance, airflow, and style without taking up too much space. The best Micro-ATX cases offer smart internal layouts, strong cooling support, and modern design features that make building easier and more enjoyable. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best Micro-ATX PC cases that stand out for build quality, airflow, compatibility, and overall value for gamers and PC enthusiasts. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Let's dive in and get started. Number 1. NZXT H3 Flow Micro-ATX Case. The NZXT H3 Flow Micro-ATX case is designed for builders who want striking aesthetics without sacrificing performance. Its seamless wraparound glass panels deliver a clear, panoramic view of your components, turning your PC into a true showcase. The compact dual-chamber layout separates heat-producing parts from cables and storage, improving airflow while keeping the interior clean and organized. Right out of the box, 3 pre-installed 120mm fans are strategically angled to direct cool air exactly where it's needed, helping maintain stable temperatures during intense gaming or heavy workloads. Airflow-optimized perforations on the top and side panels further enhance cooling efficiency, while also acting as a barrier against dust buildup. Building inside the H3 Flow is refreshingly simple thanks to its intuitive cable management system, which uses wide routing channels and secure straps to keep everything neat and professional. Despite its compact Micro-ATX footprint, this case offers impressive thermal performance, smart design choices, and a premium look that elevates any setup. If you're looking for a case that blends modern style, efficient cooling, and builder-friendly features, the NZXT H3 Flow stands out as a powerful and visually stunning choice.
Number 2. JONSBO Micro-ATX Case. The JONSBO Z20 Mini Micro-ATX case proves that compact size doesn't mean limited performance. With a volume of only around 20 liters, it fits effortlessly into almost any desktop setup while still offering a surprisingly builder-friendly layout. Thick 2mm integrated bent steel panels give the case a solid, premium feel, while the finely crafted square ventilation openings balance excellent heat dissipation with refined aesthetics. A full-coverage magnetic dust filter helps keep the interior clean over long-term use. Designed with convenience in mind, the detachable carrying handle makes transportation easy, and the removable PCIe fixing piece simplifies installing longer graphics cards. Cooling flexibility is a major highlight, supporting multiple 120mm and 140mm fan configurations across the top and bottom, along with rear exhaust options. Despite its compact footprint, the case accommodates GPUs up to 363mm, adjustable ATX, SFX, or SFX-L power supplies, and both air and liquid cooling solutions. Storage support is equally versatile, allowing multiple SSD and HDD combinations. With modern front I/O, including USB-C, strong airflow potential, and a rugged portable design, the JONSBO Z20 is an excellent choice for powerful yet compact Micro-ATX builds.
Number 3. Lian Li DAN A3 Micro-ATX Case. The Lian Li DAN A3 Micro-ATX case is built to deliver premium airflow, flexibility, and visual impact in a compact form. It comes equipped with 5 pre-installed 120mm reverse blade fans, carefully angled to provide powerful cooling right out of the box. A unique 10-degree slanted bottom design enhances direct cold air intake, significantly improving GPU temperatures during demanding gaming or creative workloads. The protruded mesh side panel allows support for full-size ATX power supplies without increasing the overall footprint, keeping the case both compact and capable. Pillarless tempered glass on the front and side creates a clean, uninterrupted view of your components, turning your build into a true display piece. This chassis supports ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards and is specially optimized for modern ATX back-connect designs. To protect your hardware, both horizontal and vertical GPU anti-sag brackets are included, offering strong support for heavier graphics cards. Dedicated brackets for the 24-pin motherboard cable help maintain a neat, professional interior. The 011D Micro blends smart engineering, strong cooling, and refined aesthetics for builders who want performance and style perfectly balanced.
Number 4. MUSETEX Micro-ATX Case. The MUSETEX K2 Micro-ATX case is built to impress with both performance and visual impact. Designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts, it comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans that deliver strong cooling while creating a vibrant, customizable lighting experience. The stunning 270-degree dual-tempered glass panels offer a wide, unobstructed view of your build, perfectly showcasing high-end components and personal decor. Inside, the spacious and thoughtfully organized layout supports powerful hardware with ease, including graphics cards up to 420mm, tall air coolers, large power supplies, and top-mounted 360mm liquid cooling. High-speed front I/O ports, including USB 3.0 and Type-C, ensure fast data transfer and modern connectivity for gaming and daily use. Cooling performance is enhanced by an innovative airflow design with side-mounted intake fans, anti-vortex fan blades, and strategically placed ventilation to keep temperatures stable under load. Magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom help protect components while maintaining efficient airflow. With its clean tower design, durable tempered glass, and excellent sound insulation, the MUSETEX K2 balances practicality, aesthetics, and performance. It's a feature-packed case that delivers premium looks, strong cooling, and outstanding value for modern PC builds.
Number 5. Lian Li A3-mATX Case. The Lian Li A3 Micro-ATX case blends modern engineering with a unique natural aesthetic. Its wood front panel adds a refined, minimalist touch that stands out from traditional gaming designs, while the steel mesh side and top panels ensure excellent airflow. Built for flexibility, the A3 supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies, including the Lian Li Edge PSU, with options for sideways or front-mounted installation to suit different build styles. Despite its compact size, the interior offers impressive hardware support, accommodating Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, along with large graphics cards up to 415mm. Cooling performance is a major strength, with support for up to a 360mm radiator and space for as many as 10 120mm fans, allowing powerful airflow setups for high-performance systems. The 4 expansion slots provide versatility for modern components without compromising the clean layout. Designed for builders who want both performance and elegance, the Lian Li A3 delivers strong cooling potential, wide hardware compatibility, and a distinctive look that fits seamlessly into modern gaming or professional setups. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.